Now, there was chaos outside the Godfrey Stewart High School in Westmoreland this morning after dozens of students were barred from entering the institution after breaching the school's dress code. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Some of these students have been standing outside the gates of the Godfrey Stewart High School in Westmoreland for hours. Things quickly got heated after they were barred from entering the institution because of this. Uniforms inches above the ankle and pants which they say the school have deemed unfit for school.
We want justice at Godfrey Stewart. This can't run no more. Education are locked down.
2 students, one in 5th form, one for 1st form. The one for 1st form, he pulled the pants above his knee. He pulled his pants above his knee. I was at the last PTA and they said that as long as the pants can be able to come above the knee, it is okay. When he was there, I allowed him to do it. The principal told him to excuse because he's not ready yet.
What made parents more upset is that they say some of the uniforms were provided by the school.
I built 2 uniforms for my daughter by the school here. I collect one for her in March, collect the next one in the 2nd of August for her to wear, come to school. The school build the uniform. Now she come to school. She out here from 7 o'clock in the sun. So I'm saying no. If they know that the uniform was going to change, why give her the uniform to wear, come to school, and it's not appropriate?
As the hours went by, parents and students got more frustrated.
Parents are at work. The students them can't leave here to go home. When them go, they go follow bad company. The young girls them go, they go take up man. You go here say them this, them that. No sir, this is not right.
On top of that, they say the principal and other officials at the school have been dismissive of their complaints.
I said to her, can I have a word with you? She did not respond to me. I said to the Dean of Discipline, Miss Sandy, can I have a word with you? She may come to me telling me that I must address the principal. Until now, my daughter, that's why uniform for my daughter, it is humongous. It is very large. And when I went to the security telling him to let me in with my daughter so that I can adjust the uniform, the security told me that he cannot do that.
TVJ News tried to get a comment from principal and the board chairman of the school, but was unsuccessful. It comes at a time when there have been mounting concerns about strict grooming policies in schools.